Hi there, this is my latest Victorinox and it's the Victorinox Army 7 ALOX, and this could be my new favourite Victorinox Swiss Army knife. It even rivals the Midnite Manager, which I carry with me every day. Let's go through the features and I'll explain why I like it so much. Starting with the scales, it's a typical silver ALOX Victorinox, and it has that really nice pattern to it, that sort of waffle pattern with the fantastic red shield that's embossed. Hopefully you can see that clearly. And I really like this. What it's hard to explain in the video is it really feels nice to the touch. It's grippy, but not too rough. And I just think it looks beautiful. It sort of reminds me of something from the 1920s or 1930s, you know, something like one of those silver Winnebagos, you know, that fantastic silvery sheen to it. Looking at the back, you can see it's pretty good. There's not too much gapping. I think if you hold it up to the light, you can just about see light through, but that's not unexpected for the way it's constructed. But it's a really durable knife. This is one of the 93mm series. I think you may have seen the Pioneer or the Pioneer X. I have the Pioneer X as well. Please check out my video. Wait till you finish watching this one, but I'll put a link at the end. And the Pioneer X is an excellent penknife as well. So let's start looking at some of the tools. Now, the most unusual tool on this I'll show first. And this is the pruning blade or hawkbill. So it's not so long, it's 30mm, but it's got an amazing blade. Can you see this? And it's great for doing cuts. The point is excellent, so it's great for doing draw cuts, excellent for pruning something, and just a fantastic blade all round. So that replaces what would normally be the can opener, which I guess most people don't use. The other tool opposite it is the typical flat blade screwdriver. So this is a 7mm or 1/4 inch screwdriver. It has the wire bender and the caplifter. And as with the Pioneer X, this is quite a thick tool as well. So you can use it as a pry bar. There's a half stop on it as well. I'm sure you've seen this in other videos, but it's really useful. It's one of the tools I use the most. The next tool is this saw. Now check out my video of the Huntsman to see one of these saws in action. They're just brilliant. It works on both the pull and the push, and hopefully we can see the teeth there. But these saws are fantastic. They cut way better than you would think for something of this size. So that's the saw. Then there's the main blade. So this is a large blade. It's 62mm, the actual cutting edge, and it's quite thick as well. So just as the Pioneer X, I won't go through too much on that, but it's a nice size. So in Imperial, it's 2.4 inches. And then the final blade is the awl. And as with the Pioneer X, it's got the inline awl, which is amazing. So again, check out my video of the Pioneer X, and the awl is fantastic. This will go through wood, leather, no problem at all. If you need to make a hole, it just drills its way through. It's got a really sharp edge and a decent point. It's great to use as a package opener. So that's it really. So it's called the Army 7 because it has 7 tools. It's nice and simple, no back tools. The beautiful ALOX, so it's robust. The other thing I really like about it is that it has no keyring on it as well. So there's nothing to stick out. Not so good if you want to put a lanyard on it, but as this would be in my pocket, it's not a problem. The only con, I think, is that there are no scissors. If they did an Army 7X, that would be brilliant. But realistically, I always carry the Midnite Manager. And if I don't carry the Midnite Manager, I have the Classic SD. And that has a very small and capable pair of scissors. Why I like it: no keyring. It's got simple tools, but everything that I need. I would say this was a great country Swiss Army knife. So great for gardening, for bushcraft, or for camping. I hope you like this. Please leave a comment. I'd love to know what your favourite Victorinox. Have you got the Army 7 or the Pioneer X? If you have, then let me know. If you want to see another great review of this knife, check out Thrifty Kniffy's. I'll put a link to that in the description as well. He reviewed it recently and I thought it was a great review. He did some amazing close-ups of this at the end. So why don't you check that out as well? If you like my reviews, why not check out this video or this playlist? This is my Victorinox playlist, so you can find some other videos about Victorinox knives. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.